Life moves quickly. We rush from one task to the next, our minds racing with thoughts. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, disconnected from ourselves and the world around us. In the midst of this chaos, mindfulness offers a sanctuary. It is a path to finding peace and clarity within, even when life feels hectic. This guide will introduce you to the basics of mindfulness and meditation. It will provide you with simple yet powerful techniques to bring more presence and tranquility into your life. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in mindfulness before, the practices shared here are accessible to all. Mindfulness is a state of active attention to the present moment. It is about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Imagine your mind as a clear blue sky, and your thoughts as clouds drifting by. You notice them, acknowledge them, but you don't get carried away by them. Mindfulness is not about emptying your mind or achieving a state of bliss. It's about developing a kind and curious awareness of whatever arises in your experience. Through this gentle observation, you begin to cultivate a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. The benefits of mindfulness extend far beyond a sense of calm. Regular practice can lead to reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and concentration, increased self-awareness and emotional regulation, and greater compassion for yourself and others. By learning to be fully present in each moment, you open yourself up to a richer, more fulfilling life. You become less reactive to challenges, and more able to savor the simple joys that each day brings. One of the simplest and most effective ways to cultivate mindfulness is through focusing on your breath. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine erect but not rigid. Close your eyes gently, and turn your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently leaving your body. Your breath is your anchor to the present moment. Whenever you find your mind wandering, gently guide your attention back to the feeling of your breath. Section 5. Exploring your inner landscape. The body scan. The body scan is another powerful mindfulness technique that cultivates awareness of your physical sensations. Lie down comfortably on your back with your arms by your side, palms facing up. Close your eyes and begin to bring your attention to your body. Starting with your toes, slowly scan your body with your mind, noticing any sensations you feel. You might feel warmth, coolness, tingling, pressure, or even nothing at all. Continue moving your attention up through your feet, legs, torso, arms, hands, neck, and head. The goal is not to change or judge any sensations, but simply to observe them with curiosity and acceptance. Section 6. Mindfulness in motion. Everyday awareness. Mindfulness is not confined to formal meditation practices. You can bring awareness to everyday activities, transforming mundane moments into opportunities for presence. Try practicing mindfulness while eating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. Walking. Notice the sensation of your feet on the ground, the movement of your body, and the sights and sounds around you. Washing dishes. Feel the warmth of the water, the texture of the dishes, and the scent of the soap. By bringing mindfulness to these routine activities, you can infuse your day with a sense of peace and appreciation. Section 7. Cultivating calm, the power of consistency. Like any new skill, mindfulness takes time and practice to develop. The key is to be patient with yourself and to practice regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Start with short sessions of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. It's also helpful to establish a regular time and place for your practice. This could be first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed. Find what works best for you and make it a part of your daily routine. Section 8. Challenges on the path. Embracing imperfection. It's natural for your mind to wander during meditation. Don't get discouraged when this happens. Simply acknowledge the thought or feeling without judgment. and gently redirect your attention back to your breath or your chosen object of focus. Remember, mindfulness is a practice, not a destination. There's no need to strive for perfection or to judge yourself harshly when you fall short. The most important thing is to approach your practice with kindness and compassion for yourself. Section 9. A journey of 1,000 miles. Your mindfulness adventure begins. Congratulations on taking the first step on your mindfulness journey. By incorporating even a few minutes of mindfulness into your day, you can begin to experience the transformative power of presence. Remember, mindfulness is a lifelong adventure. Be patient with yourself, enjoy the journey, and embrace the peace and clarity that comes with each mindful breath.